Hi friends, this is Maria and welcome back to my channel. And this is the morning after the big storm, and actually it's still going on until now, but it's really pretty around here, so enjoy the view. I appreciate the snow for the beauty it brings, but I don't like it because you have to shovel a lot of snow and it's not easy. I'm gonna try to go around and see what we have here at the in front of the house. So last night I put up the light there. Now it's covered with snow. Look at the chairs. I'm just walking very slowly because it is slippery. Okay, let's walk. I don't know which one to go. Would I go to the other side or to this side? But it's really pretty. I'm gonna tour you around the area. I'm gonna bring you around the area. I just have to walk slowly. Oh, look. Whoa, look. Oh my gosh, it's deep. It's really deep. It's difficult to walk. Oh my, oh my god, look at that. I'll try. I'll try there. Gosh, it's it's as deep as my knees. Look at that. We gotta go here first. Check on the truck. Oh my goodness. No, it's more than my knees. Look at this. Oh, it's so nice. I can sit on the snow. Oh yeah. Oh, it's fluffy. It's so nice. It's so nice. Whoa, it's cold. I have to close my jacket to the neck. Okay. Ow! Hey, wait, this is hard here. Look at that. Now I can't stand. Woo! Wait. Oh, I can't stand. All right. This is fun. You can see that behind me. Oh, those are fluffy trees. It's nice though. Oh, look. Oh, it's cold. This is. Look at the roof. How thick the snow is. It's like a foot thick. Oh yeah. It is. I think 12 inches deep. I want to walk around there. I don't have my snowshoes though. Okay guys, let's go around the house and disturb the snow. Ouch! Okay, it's still snowing as you can see. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty though. walking around. Oh my! Look at how beautiful the area is. And it's difficult. This is gonna be my exercise. Oh wow! Wow! Oh, that's amazing. Look at the. This is the um, wire that holds the feeder. You can see the pond there. I'm gonna go to see the garden. Oh my god. Of course, one of the problems is the dish there is actually filled with snow as well as the antenna, so it's difficult to watch TV or anything else. And this is how it looks here. The garden is over there, or was over there, and I'm just here walking. I'll go around. I'll walk into the trees. This is the first time that I am walking through snowy trees here. Oh, wow. We're gonna walk. Oh my goodness. This is pretty here. I am just having fun. That's the tree where I was taking a video. You can see my tracks there. I mean my footsteps. Let's go under here. Oh, I'm like in a fairyland. Oh. I just had a little bit of a nice. Oh, this is a majestic tree. Hi guys, so cold, but it's so pretty around here. This is the first time that I walked around the area during a snowstorm or after a snowstorm, and it's still, the snow is still falling. It's gonna last until 10 o'clock in the morning, and I am just here having fun walking. So you can see the lens has water, that's why it's a little bit blurry, but it's actually nice and beautiful as long as you are well clothed. I mean, if you have your winter jackets, you have a hat, you have gloves, the warm gloves. These are actually dance gloves, and it's a little bit bigger, but it's warm and thin. And then I have snow boots and snow pants. So It's not too bad. It's fun. Okay. Oh my, that's really thick. Yeah. Look at there. Look how deep it is. On the tires, by the tires. Oh my. I have already walked around as much as I could, but it's very cold. So I'm back in the house and I'm gonna start sweeping the snow off of the porch. So I have my broom. Okay. Gosh, it's so slippery. I'm sweating.
Sweating? That's why you do this, you know.